Hello everyone, welcome to my programming club. Today we will be solving another daily Leetcode problem, and the problem's name is minimum number of operations to make array empty. So the problem statement goes like this. You are given a zero indexed array nums consisting of positive integers. There are two types of operations that you can apply on the array any number of times. Choose two elements with equal values and delete one of them from the array. Choose three elements with equal values and delete them from the array. You have to return the minimum number of operations that are required to make this array empty, or -1 if it's not if this thing is not possible. Making the array empty is not possible. Okay. Uh, Now let's have a look at the constants also. Here the length of the array will be of order 10 raised to power 5, and your elements will be ranging from 1 to 10 raised to power 6. So as you can see, this particular question can be easily solved with a greedy approach. You will try to use as much as 3 element operations so that the number of operations will be reduced. And for the elements with for the remaining elements on which you cannot form their groups of 3, you will apply this particular operation of deleting 2 elements. Okay. So what I mean to say is, for example, there are 8 elements of type, or let's say 3 is repeated 8 times. Okay. Then what possible configuration of operations will be, you can delete three threes once in one operation, and then another operation can be applied. Total 6 threes will be deleted here, and then you will be having 2 threes which you cannot form uh, a group of size 3. So this one is missing here. So what you will do, you will form a group of 2 and then delete them. Okay. In all there will be uh, 3 operations required. Okay. So the key here is greedy approach. Try to use as much as 3 ops possible. Try to use as much as 3 deletion operation, or say operation number 2, I think. Yeah, operation number 2, we can call it this one as operation number 2. Okay. And that's how we will be solving the problem. Now let's have a look at the implementation of this approach. So we will be taking a frequency map to store different frequencies of all the unique element. Okay. And then what you will be doing, uh, you will be try to use second operation as much as you can. in which case you cannot empty the array. There is only one possible case in which you cannot empty the array. If there is a element, there is an element with frequency 1. In that case you cannot empty the array, otherwise there is also always a way to empty the array. And at last you will return your number of operations that will be required to empty the array. Okay, so that's how you will be solving this particular problem. Let's try to submit once. As you can see, it's getting accepted. Now we can easily convert this one in Java also. Here, instead of size, it will be length, and instead of this particular map, there will be hash map interface. Okay, and instead of auto, there will be where, and there will be a little change here also. Here you can write frequency map dot put num, and then frequency map dot get default, and then num 0 plus 1. Okay, by default we are assigning 0 frequency, and yeah, I think we are done here. And then we're here, and we are just using I think entry set will be fine. Entry set, and here also we will be writing get value, and I think rest all should be fine. Let's try to submit for sample test kit once. Let's see if they are getting accepted. Okay, there is some error here. Get, I think it will be get or default, not get default. Yeah, it's getting accepted. I think will also be accepted for final submission. Yeah, that's how we'll be converting in it in Java. If you are having any doubts or any queries in general, feel free to ask them in the comment section. Thank you for watching. Have a great day ahead.